Welcome to our channel. Today we how to build credit with Experian, full guide step by step clearly. Start by understanding what credit is and why it matters. Credit is a measure of your ability to borrow money and repay it. A good credit score can lead to better loan rates, insurance premiums, and even job opportunities. Visit Experian's website to access their free credit report. Create an account if you don't already have one. Check your current credit report for any inaccuracies. Dispute any errors you find with the reporting bureau. Next, pay your existing bills on time to build a positive payment history. Consider opening a credit card if you don't have one. Choose a secured credit card if you're new to credit. Make small purchases on this card and pay off the balance each month. Keep your credit utilization below 30% of your credit limit. If you have student loans or a car loan, ensure you maintain regular payments. Diversifying your credit mix can also benefit your score. Only apply for new credit when necessary to avoid hard inquiries. Monitor your credit score regularly through Experian tools. Set reminders for bill payments to ensure you never miss a due date. Seek financial education resources to understand credit management better. Stay patient, as building credit takes time and consistency. With dedication, you will see improvements in your credit score. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.